In this video tutorial, I will tell you how you can delete your Telegram account permanently. The first method is deleting by adjusting self-destruction settings. Self-destruction is one of Telegram's security features, which sees the account deleted after a certain period of inactivity. Step 1. Log into your Telegram account on your device and select Settings. Step 2. Click on Privacy and Security. Step 3. Scroll down to Delete my account if I'm away for and change to 1 month. Step 4. If you refrain from using Telegram, after the 1-month period is up, your account will be deleted, along with all your conversations and contacts. The second method of deleting the account is manually deleting Telegram. Step 1. Visit the Telegram deactivation page and enter your account phone number in the correct international format. Step 2. You will be prompted to add a confirmation code, which has been sent to your mobile number. Step 3. On the next page, you can enter a reason for leaving if you choose, before clicking Done. A pop-up asks, "Are you sure?" Click Yes, delete my account. Your Telegram account is now deleted, and you can remove the app from your device. Thanks for watching the video. If you find it helpful, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel.